Hello and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm making lemon slice. This is another quick and simple recipe that doesn't need to be baked in the oven. For the base you'll need a packet of plain sweet biscuits, I'm using granita biscuits, a can of condensed milk, 1 cup of shredded coconut, 100 grams of butter and the zest of 1 lemon. Don't worry, we'll be using the rest of the lemon later on in the recipe. Start by breaking up the biscuits. I decided to be lazy and start by smashing the packet on the bench, but once the packet broke open, I moved the biscuits to a bowl and started blitzing them with a hand mixer. Once the biscuits are a fine crumb consistency, add the coconut and lemon zest. Next, in a small pot, heat the butter and condensed milk until smoothed and combined. Add the heated mixture to the dry ingredients and mix until well combined. Press the mixture into a lined tray and let refrigerate for 2 to 3 hours. Next we're going to make the icing. This is fairly simple. You're going to need 2 cups of icing sugar, the juice of 1 lemon and 20 grams of softened butter. Make a well in the icing sugar and add the lemon juice and butter. When you start mixing, you may find that you need some additional butter to get the icing to a nice smooth consistency. Once the icing is smooth, cover the base in an even layer of the icing and smooth over with either a knife or an offset spatula. Place back into the fridge to allow to set. I left this in overnight. It's the next day, so it's time to cut up the slice into squares. Please ignore my uneven cutting lines, and then you can place it into an airtight container. The slice should keep for 4 to 5 days in the fridge. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, please leave a comment below or like the video. Thanks for watching.